Prasad Tiwari ji, President Sahitya Academy, Dr. Chandrasekhar Kambar ji, Vice President Sahitya Academy, Honorable General Council and Executive Board members representing 24 Indian languages, Sahitya Academy award winners, media representatives, my colleagues in the Academy, and dear friends of Sahitya Academy. Sahitya Academy warmly welcome you to the Festival of Letters 2015. I feel greatly honored in welcoming Professor Ramdas Mishra ji, a distinguished Hindi writer who has kindly agreed to inaugurate the Academy 2014 exhibition, an event itself at the grand beginning of the ever remarkable Festival of Letters that will last until 14th March 2015, and also the closing of year-long Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the Sahitya Academy. Dear friends, as you all know that the Academy's exhibition marks the beginning of its Festival of Letters. The annual exhibition will showcase our activities and achievements in the form of photographs, our publications, photographs of Sahitya Academy award winners, along with write-ups on them. This will possibly enable the literary connoisseurs as well as the readers to get a clear picture of our activities and the Academy's growth in the year 2014. Friends, you are part of our activities. I am glad to inform you on this occasion that in 2014 we organized 467 various literary events. That means in every 19 hours we organize one program. That includes international, national and regional seminars, programs like Meet Author, Katha Sandhi, Kavi Sandhi, Loga, the Many Voices, translation workshops, poetry festivals, Eastern, Southern, Western and Northeastern literary meets with newly added programs like Nari Chetna, Yuva Sahiti, Bal Sahiti, celebrating the Academy's Foundation Day, etc. This year in 2014, we have added one more new program called Bhashantar Anubhava. We have organized and participated in 186 book exhibitions in India as well as at the international book fairs at Frankfurt and Sharjah International Book Fair. The sale of books came approximately to rupees 276.47 lakhs, that means 2.76 crores. Academy published nearly 569 books including reprints. That means we produced a book in every 16 hours and brought out their in-house journals, which is 6 issues of Indian literature, 6 issues of Samkalin Bharati Sahitya and 3 issues of Sanskrit Pratibha. Around 3,647 volumes were added to the existing collection of 2,33,705 books in its libraries. The catalogs of Bengali, Gujarati and Maithili have been launched, which are accessible to the readers across the world. Computerization of other Indian languages books are under progress. Digitization of Indian writers' photographs is in the process, and the networking of the regional office libraries is being undertaken to fully automate the libraries in the regional offices as well. During the year 2014, Academy presented 92 awards to practitioners of creative writing, translations, children writing and young writing, and Bhasha Samman were presented to 8 scholars in classical and medieval literature, North and South, Bhojpuri, Wadli, Banjara and Mizo languages. In deciding these awards, including Bhasha Samman, Academy involved 2,316 writers, scholars, critics in the decision-making process spread over the whole year. We have also produced 6 documentaries on eminent Indian writers, taking tally to 113 films so far. Under the cultural exchange programs, 32 writers from India were sent to China, Argentina, Germany, Singapore, South Africa, Russia and Sharjah, and 16 writers from China, Thailand and Czech Republic were visited India during 2014. This is the happy beginning of the dream that Academy evolves during the entire year, and I am immensely pleased to welcome you to share it with us. Friends, I take this opportunity in welcoming Professor Ramdas Mishra ji, a noted Hindi poet and fiction writer, who has kindly agreed to inaugurate the Academy 2014 exhibition. He has been awarded for the 21st Vyas Samman for his poetry collection Aam Ke Patte in 2012. A former professor of Hindi at Delhi University, Professor Mishra ji has 16 anthologies of poems, 13 novels and 18 short story collections to his credit. Besides, his biography has been brought out in 4 volumes and his works have been collected and published in 14 volumes. The 90-year-old Dr. Mishra ji has made a significant contribution to literary criticism over the years. His well-received poetry collections include Pag Gaye Hain Tu, Pad Ke Geet, Kandhe Par Suraj and Barish Mein Bheegte Bache. His novels Jal Toota Hua and Pani Ke Prachi were received with critical acclaim. I am extremely thankful to him for agreeing to this Academy 2014 exhibition. I am also heartily welcome President and Vice President of Sahitya Academy, honorable members of Executive Board and General Council, eminent writers, media friends, my colleagues in the Academy, and of course every one of you. Thank you all. Now I request President Sahitya Academy to welcome the Chief Guest with a bouquet of flowers. Now I request President Sahitya Academy to say a few words, and thereafter I request Dr. Ramdas Mishra ji to say a few words.
कंबार जी और सभी आदरणीय मित्रों, यह अवसर कुछ ज़्यादा करने के लिए नहीं है, क्योंकि आज दिन भर हम लोगों की व्यस्तता है, कई मीटिंग्स वगैरह होने वाली। मैं चाहता हूं कि हमारे मुख्य अतिथि रामदास मिश्र जी से ही हम लोग कुछ वाक्य सुने। ये बड़ी खुशी की बात है। जैसा कि सचिव श्री श्रीनिवास राव ने बताया, साहित्य अकादमी की गतिविधियों को देखकर बड़ी प्रसन्नता। मेरा ख्याल है कि जब अकादमी शुरू हुई होगी उससे 20 गुना और पिछले 1-2 वर्ष के में 2 गुना गतिविधियां अकादमी की बढ़ी। 365 दिनों में 465 प्रोग्राम होना, ये अपने आप में एक अचरज की बात है। और हर 18 घंटे बाद एक किताब का चलना, ये अकादमी के लिए संतोष की बात है। बहुत सारे पुरस्कार भी बढ़ रहे हैं और बहुत सारी जो इसकी गतिविधियां हैं उनमें विकास हुआ है। मैं स्वयं एक संतोष का अनुभव करता हूं और ये चाहता हूं कि अकादमी और अधिक से अधिक कार्यक्रम, अधिक से अधिक पुस्तकों का प्रकाशन, अधिक से अधिक अनुवाद और अधिक से अधिक लेखकों की भागीदारी करे और इसको छोटे से छोटे कस्बे तक ले जाए। ये उद्देश्य होना चाहिए अकादमी का, क्योंकि ये कोई बहुत एलीट या अभिजात बोध से ग्रस्त इसको नहीं होना चाहिए। इसको मध्यम लेखक तक और छोटे से छोटे स्थान पर पहुंचाना चाहिए। यही अकादमी से मेरी आशा है। आप लोगों को धन्यवाद। मैं आदरणीय रामदास मिश्र जी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि कुछ वाक्य इस अवसर पर।
और मित्रों, भीतर साहित्य अकादमी द्वारा अर्जित साहित्यिक और सांस्कृतिक निधि हमारे इंतजार कर रही है। द्वार खोलने का श्रेय मुझे दिया जा रहा है। बधाई इसके लिए। और मैं आभारी हूँ तिवारी जी का, साहित्य का। मित्रों, साहित्य अकादमी के कार्यों के प्रति कुछ कहना नहीं है, क्योंकि आप सब जानते हैं कि यह देश की सारी भाषाओं के साहित्यों के मिलन का एक
मंच है, परोपकारी मंच है। यहाँ सारी भाषाएं संवाद करती हैं, एक दूसरे में आती जाती हैं, इसलिए पाठकों का, हर भाषा के पाठक का विस्तार होता है, मन का विस्तार होता है, पुरुष का विस्तार होता है। प्रत्येक भाषा अपने साहित्य के माध्यम से अपने प्रदेश और उसके माध्यम से देश के जनजीवन को अंकित करती है और एक ही साथ एकता में अनेकता, अनेकता में एकता की पहचान हमें होती है। साहित्य अकादमी पत्रिकाओं के माध्यम से, किताबों के माध्यम से, गतिविधियों के माध्यम से बड़ी सेवा कर रही है साहित्य की, पूरे देश के साहित्य की। धन्यवाद इसके लिए। नमस्कार।
पानी निकाला, पानी निकालने के बाद आइएगा।
तो आपको क्या
जो